What's the meaning of bête noire? Bête noire. Bête noire.
Bête noire. Bête noire. The phrase bête noire is a French term that translates to black beast in English. It refers to a person or thing that is particularly disliked or feared by someone. This can be due to past negative experiences or simply an innate aversion. The term is often used to describe a persistent problem or challenge that is difficult to overcome and continues to cause frustration or anxiety. Identifying one's own bête noire can be helpful in understanding personal biases and areas for personal growth or development.